Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making something super fun and addictive, crispy fried oyster mushrooms. Just look at this, golden crunchy on the outside, juicy and tender inside. Honestly, if I didn't tell you, you might even think it's meat. Perfect as a snack or even for kids at home. Alright, let's get started. First, I've got some oyster mushrooms here. I washed them and tore them into smaller pieces. Now I'm adding about a teaspoon of salt and giving it a good mix. Let it sit for around 10 minutes. That will draw out the extra water. While that's working, let's make our batter. In a big bowl, add 3 tablespoons of potato starch and about 1.5 tablespoons of flour. Crack in 1 egg. Add water liter by liter and stir in one direction until smooth. We want a silky, lump-free batter, not watery. See this texture. Season by adding a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of 13 spice, and a teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice. Then a tablespoon of cooking oil. Mix it all together. This oil helps the coating crisp up beautifully. Let's check back on our mushrooms. Look at that, so much liquid came out. Now squeeze them dry. The drier, the better. Otherwise, they don't crisp up. Toss the mushrooms straight into the batter. Coat them really well. Heat some oil in the wok. To check the temperature, dip chopsticks in the batter and stick them in the oil. If bubbles pop up in about 3 seconds, we are ready. Now, drop the mushrooms in one by one. Don't rush to move them. Wait until the outside firms up. Then gently stir so they fry evenly. Once they are set, take them out and drain. Now we are going for the second fry. Crank up the heat. Test again with the batter. This time bubbles in 1 second. Back in go the mushrooms. The first fry cooked them. The second fry makes them crispy. Look, they are turning golden brown. Perfect. Take them out and drain. While they are still hot, toss them in a big bowl with your favorite seasonings. Maybe some cumin powder, chili flakes, or barbecue spice mix. Totally up to you. Give it a good shake. Now look at this plate. Crispy oyster mushrooms that look just like fried meat. Bite into one and it's crunchy outside, juicy inside. Honestly, this makes the best snack, especially for kids. Let me try one. So crunchy, so flavorful. The only thing is you have to try this while they are hot. Trust me, give it a try at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.